Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be downloading the IKEA app. So let's get started. Go right into your app store. In your app store, go into search on the bottom. Then just type in IKEA. And then we're going to just find it. Do not touch the very first thing. That's usually an ad. And finally, this is it. So it's not the second one. It's not IKEA Home Smart. It's actually just the IKEA app. Then press get. Once you press and get, it's going to download. It's a pretty small app. So if you guys scroll down, you can actually what it's compatible with. So version right here. Let me just show you. There we go. So it's less than 200 megabytes, the app itself, and you're gonna see what iPhones it works with. So as long as you guys have iOS 16 or later, you're good to go. For Mac, you need Mac OS 13. But anyways, let's just go up, open up the app, and we are all set. You guys can go on and get started. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.